Hi, good morning everyone. This is your property consultant, June Carlo, and welcome to our project here at Marek Subdivision, Cainta, Rizal. Alright, dito po tayo ngayon sa ating project na Ready for Occupancy Townhouse at Marek Subdivision, Cainta, Rizal. So, as nakikita po natin sa likod po natin ay ready for occupancy na siya. So, meron itong 1-car garage, and then 3 bedrooms with 2 toilet and bath. Okay, so fully finished na din. Okay guys, let's go! Pasok po tayo. So, itong area na to, ito po yung garage niya, no? So, available, 1-car garage. So, medyo may mga dumi pa kasi for polishing pa lang siya. Okay. And then, pasok na po tayo. Come on. Yan. So, okay. So, upon turnover po ay fully finished na po yung unit. So, nakatayas na siya, fully painted na din. Meron na din sink, no? May mga built-in cabinets na rin siya. Ito yung ating faucet. And this is the ground floor. No? This is the ground floor area. So, yun. So, this would be the living and the dining area po. No? So, and then ito naman po yung CR po natin. Okay. Yung toilet and bath. And then, meron po tayong laundry area dito banda. Yan. So, upon turnover po, ay ipapolish naman yung developer. Okay, dito see. Right, so ito po, no? So yun, so akit naman sa second floor. By the way, this is a 32, no? Yung lot area po ito ay 32 square meters. And as the floor area is 65 square meters. So akit tayo sa taas. So welcome to the second floor. The bedroom 1. So, meron din siyang window for natural lighting. What? And for air ventilation. Okay. And then, moving on to the bedroom 2. So, this is the bedroom 2. And meron din siyang window for natural lighting. And then let's proceed to our master's bedroom. So ito yung master's bedroom, guys. Yung master's bedroom natin ay meron siya. Andito po yung veranda, no? So andito meron din siyang provision for aircon. And of course, meron siyang veranda dito. So yun, so this is the veranda, no? So yun, so pwede tayo maglagay ng maliit na coffee table dito sa may gilid. Okay, and then, yun. So yan. And then upon turnover po, ay nakaganito na din yung door at saka yung window natin. Naka-glass na siya. Ito naman po yung toilet and bath ng master's bedroom. So guys, ang pinakamura natin townhouse na ready for occupancy na dito sa Cainta, Rizal. So ito ay part ng Cainta pero sobrang lapit na niya sa Metro Manila. So ilang minutes na lang travel going to Metro Manila. So ang advantage naman pag sa Cainta tayo bumili, medyo mura. Mas mura yung taxes compared sa Metro Manila. So we are selling this property at 3.2 million pesos lang. No? So ready for occupancy na siya and you can pay the down payment for 6 months, 30,000 pesos to reserve the unit, and 30% na down payment and 80% na bank financing. So we will assist you guys sa ating bank loan. You just need your requirements. And then sa ngayon po ay nagkakaubusan na po tayo ng projects dahil nasa sobrang mura, mabilis na siya mabenta. So if you have kung interested kayo na makita or magpa-schedule ng site viewing dito sa project, just let me know. So once again, this is a 3.2 million pesos lang guys na townhouse na ready for occupancy na. Okay, so yun po yung ating project na ready for occupancy here at Marex Subdivision Cainta, Rizal. So sa Marex Subdivision po, sobrang lapit sa mga establishments, sa mga malls. And malapit din siya kasi nasa junction siya banda eh. So malapit siya sa Cainta Junction. And then malapit din siya sa Robinsons Cainta, and then Burgos Cainta, sa Cainta City Hall, and then sa Cainta Market. So sobrang lapit siya sa doon sa mga establishment na kailangan ng inyong pamilya. So once again, this is a 32 square meters na lot area and 65 square meters na floor area. So this is a fully finished, ready for occupancy townhouse here at Marex Subdivision. So if you have few questions guys, if meron kayo mga gusto itanong, comment down below or you can text me or call me to my number in the description part of this vlog. Okay, so once again, this is June Carlo, your property consultant. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more updates po galing sa amin, for property, for affordable property here at Metro Manila and nearby provinces. Thank you so much for watching.